Good morning, people. We've got an Airfix BMW M1 here today. Now, this is quite an old model, and you can see that it's been a little careworn, shall we say. This box was apparently released in 1980. There was a box redo in 1992, according to Scalemates, which is a pretty good website for finding all information about kits, especially old ones. So what we've got here, we've got an Airfix BMW M1. Beautiful car. They didn't make many. There aren't many left. But if you want to build one, this is where you might start. So this was brand new in 1980. New moulds, presumably. Moulded in two colours. It's actually, so you've got the chassis colour and the underbody colour, I suppose. Rubber-like tyres. Full set of race decals. Now, I've not been in this box yet. I've poked my head inside quickly, but can see that there are definitely some instructions. Whether there are any decals or whether they're in any good condition, we will find out. So, what have we got? We've got Airfix BMW M1 124 scale. 1980 is the date on here. It's a Series 6. For best results, use Airfix adhesives and paints. Numbers M6, M13, G3, G8, and they are not included. English instructions are apparently included. Like I say, I've seen some paper in there, so but let's just look around the box. Quite damaged, but there's your model number 06411/4, and again a little ripped, but same as before. And this side's quite badly damaged, but we'll see if anything can be done. Okay, so lifting off the box, just to be clear, it's got the brown tray underneath. Okay, so in the box, what have we got? Like I say, this is pretty much how it came to me. I was not the first owner. And what have we got here? Some bubble wrap, no bits falling out. Keep that to one side, and then we've got the body shell, which is nicely wrapped. Again, I'm looking for anything falling out the box, bag. And again, we'll just save that for another time. Okay, so this shell doesn't seem to be any damage, and if they look like let's just have the box out of the way. Bit of a backdrop. Okay, so I thought these for a second were headlights, but they're not. They're just mould tree. And this looks in really good condition. A bit discoloured on a few of the areas. I don't know whether you can see that in this light, but there's a little bit of discolouring. Oh, in fact, there's some residue of some kind here as well. Can't imagine what that is, but not important. It all looks intact. And who would use it that colour anyway? Definitely not me. So yeah, that's all good. Ooh, we got some old glue. Wow. Airfix Special Polystyrene. Non-inflammable. Non-inflammable. It always gets me. If you want to clear that one up on the comments. Is that flammable or not flammable? Anyway. Airfix Products, Haldane Place, London. So if you'd like to help me date this, please go ahead in the comments. I do not ever remember seeing an Airfix polystyrene glue tube like this. I remember was it yellow and black by Humbrol? Or was that the Airfix one? I have never seen this white one, but I have one now. That's very good, isn't it? What else have we got? We've got some rubber-like tyres. Well, they are definitely like rubber. I'm presuming they are not rubber, but they are rubbery. Very, very nice. And we've got an axle, it seems, in there, a metal axle. Quite regularly packaged in a slightly separate bag whenever you get metal bits. But yeah, so we've got the wheels, we've got the body. What else have we got? We've got, okay, plastic, clear plastics. These tend to be quite brittle and Quite often I get to a kit and these bits are broken off and they're in the corner of the box, hopefully. Sometimes they're not. But it does look like all of these are complete. Yeah, that is actually just a little bit of... And there's the screen. Quite nice. Not too badly scratched. I will take that off of that sprue and put this in a protective bag to try and ensure that it doesn't get any more scratch than it is. These should be okay, but that would be quite susceptible to scratches. Your finished product would have the scratches and that wouldn't be good, would it? So, but we've got all of those. That's amazing. This is looking good already. And this bag is sealed. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to open it, but what have we got? We've got 4 wheels. We've got Modelers Club membership information. Who remembers that? Who was a member? Let me know in the comments. We've got the bottom chassis. We've got the seat bucket. We've got something floating around. And if my suspicions are correct, that is a... Oh, actually, don't know what it is. Just going to put my glasses on and have a look. Where are my glasses? Lost my glasses. Glasses. Glasses, glasses, glasses. Glasses are on the floor. Of course the glasses are on the floor. Why wouldn't they be on the floor? So I keep my glasses. Right, so what have we got here? We've got a little black... Looks like it could be a part, or it could be... Anyway, I'm going to assume that's a part. You can see that, I don't know. But what else have we got in there? We're going to have axles, we're going to have all the other bits, but that is nicely sealed, airtight, and so any bits that were in there should be in there. I'm not seeing any decals. I'm not seeing any decals at all in there. Just the leaflet to send off your Airfix membership Modelers Club. Let me know in the comments. And then what else have we got? Oh, another glue. Another glue. I don't recognise that one either, but that's not surprising because... Well, that looks a bit more modern, doesn't it? Is it open? Standard. Still good though, eh? Still a good tube of polystyrene glue. I'll include that with the kit when and if it sells. Okay, now we've got, drum roll please, OMG, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Decals in what look like quite nice condition, no water damage. That's pretty cool actually. And of course, I never know which side to put next to the decal, but I always put the slippery side. Don't know if that's correct, but there we go. We've got a set of decals. Woohoo! And these are... Yeah, let's have a look at the part later. So we've got B.M.W M1 construction kit. Unmotorised version. Does suggest that there is a motorised version. Here's the manual, if you'd like to have a read. Pause it and pause it. Hopefully you can see that. Quite an interesting bit of information. Oh, I see, yeah, so the back axles just get pushed in, and on presumably the front with the steering, we've got some kind of well, short axle. And then they both go on the chassis, then the tyres go on, and then bottom sub-assembly, not a lot of it. The steering seems like it functions. In fact, that's the point. It said it somewhere, didn't it? Oh, no, it didn't. But it looks like it functions. And then we go to the... Oh, no, sorry. Then we go to the dashboard. Then we go to the dashboard into the, and then the seat thing, what they called, tub. The seat tub goes on the chassis. The body gets put together, and as with most Airfix, the last assembly is all the little bits, of which there are many. Let's just see if we can find that. No, can't seem to find that little part, but that's not to say it's not actually used. Maybe that I'm just not spotting it. And then the last page is the back grille, side back grills, the back detail, and then put the two together. And this will be your decal position and how it should look when it's finished. Apply transfers. Separate into required subjects, dip in warm water for a few seconds, slide off backing into position shown in illustration. Yeah. So all the parts are there. The decals are there. I was wondering about why there are only 3 main colour blocks, and that's because there's 2 on one side and there's only 1 colour block on the other. And then you've got the number plates and badges and oh, that's it actually. Just some race stickers. Now, I have to say, I think these may be a little discoloured. So when someone comes to fit them, they might not choose to use these decals. But in theory, the edges, these yellowing edges could all be cut off and used, and the ones can be cut around with a scalpel carefully. Might be difficult to use these, but then if you choose the yellow as the or magenta as the colour of the car, then they should look perfect. Anyway, got a full set of decals, and that's all that matters. So, instructions, decals. Let's put those back safe in there. And let's just go through again. Yeah, we've got the bag, we've got all the bits. Nothing wants to come out. There is only one loose bit. I still can't work out whether that's a part or not, but whoever gets to build it will work that out. I'll include this glue. Tyres. Clear. And clear. And there we go. I'm going to keep this for myself because I like looking at old things. Done. See you next time. See you next time. Right, so that's it. This is the BMW M1. Catch you next time.